you ever see something like this, don't assume you're dreaming. You're fully awake. You're having a hallucination, but not the kind medicine explains. This one isn't inside your head. It's something only you can perceive, something real, but unseen by others. And you must know how to act. It studies you through your reflection. It learns how you move, how you breathe. When you look at it, it gets closer. That's why you should pretend it's not there. Do not tell anyone what you see. Do not ask if they see it too. That interest makes it stronger. If it moves, stay still. If it speaks, don't answer. It can't hurt you unless it knows you've noticed. Avoid mirrors. You could look at it unintentionally. Don't say your name out loud. That never stops analyzing and learning. If it disappears, don't relax yet. Hallucinations don't breathe. And if you still feel air moving behind your neck, you're not hallucinating.